video, we're making these incredibly delicious PB&J roll-ups. They are a fun twist on your kids' favorite sandwich. Plus, I'm gonna share with you how I pack them inside of a lunchbox and keep them nice and fresh until lunchtime. Hey, I'm Laura, and on this channel, I share lots of fun school lunch ideas that I've packed for my kids over the years and some of our favorite family meals. If that's your jam, hit that red subscribe button, then I'll get to share some with you every single week. To make sandwich roll-ups, I'm starting out with 2 slices of bread. You can totally keep the crust, but I found it easier to roll these up without the crusts. So I'm simply gonna slice off the crust really close to the edge. Don't worry, these ends do not go to waste. Mom eats them all the time. And then I'm gonna take my bread and place it nice and flat on my cutting board. I'm gonna take a rolling pin. I'm using my kids' rolling pin. If you don't have a rolling pin, you could use the back of a pan and flatten out your bread slices. You want to flip it over a couple of times like that, because the idea is to get a nice and thin surface to spread your peanut butter and jelly. I'm using creamy peanut butter here that I'm going to spread over this slice of bread, but if your kid goes to a nut-free school, you could also use a nut-free peanut butter alternative, which I'll link some of my favorite ones below for you. And on top of my peanut butter, I'm using about a teaspoon of jelly. You don't want to overload this because otherwise it'll ooze out on the sides. But I take the back of the spoon or the knife and spread it all around the bread. By the way, if you find tips like that one helpful, make sure you give this video a thumbs up so I know to always include them on my videos for you. To roll these, I'm going to roll them the longest side of the bread. That way you have more bites. So you just roll them and tuck them just like that. And then I'm gonna take a sharp knife and cut them into smaller pieces. As you can see, the peanut butter and jelly are inside of each of these, making these the perfect lunch that's bite-sized for younger kids. I'm gonna grab this compartmentalized lunchbox to pack these roll-ups into them. I'm gonna place them standing up, as you can see. To make this more nutritious, I'm going to add some blueberries and strawberries on the side in another compartment. If you wanna bulk up this lunch or add some veggies on the side, I have some veggies and some dip that I'm packing in another container. I'm gonna place a lid on both of these and keep them in the fridge until it's time to go. And at that time, I'll just take them out of the fridge and place them in a lunch bag with an ice pack and zip it up, and it's ready to go. Make sure to check the links below this video for other fun school lunch ideas. See you next time.